What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing some accessories for the Fujifilm X100V. And there we go. So let me finish this cup of coffee and we'll get into it. Full disclosure, this was sent to me by YC Onion. It's a company that makes a lot of camera accessories, grips, all types of stuff for cameras. Reached out to me on Instagram and asked me if I was interested in reviewing some of their Fujifilm X100V accessories, and I agreed. So full disclosure on that, but as always, I'm going to give you guys my unbiased opinion, and I'm not obligated to say anything, and this is not a sponsored video. They're not even going to see this video before I post it. It's coming straight out to you guys. But yeah. One thing, they sent me the wrong color of the accessories. They sent me the silver one, so it doesn't match my camera, but we're going to talk about the functionality of it. These accessories come in silver and in matte black, so they would match your respective camera body. I'm just going to show you guys the boxes here. These are the hand grip. I have the lens hood, square hood type lens hood, and a thumb grip. Thumb grip. So let's go ahead and take a look at the hand grip first. It is all aluminum alloy construction. It has this like leather feel here. I don't think it's real leather, but it's kind of like to replicate the feel of the camera there. On the inside, you have the padding there to protect your camera there from prevent it from sliding or moving around. On the bottom, you have a 1/4-inch screw and a cutout for your battery. It does include an Allen wrench, so you can screw that onto your camera. Your thumb grip is also all aluminum alloy. It's just one solid piece and very lightweight. They're all lightweight. The square hood has a lens cap, and that comes out really easily there. You have a adapter ring. Let me unscrew it here. The adapter ring there. The adapter ring can also accommodate a 49mm filter. And then you have your lens hood. Let's see there, it's square shaped lens hood. The lens hood is 56mm long by 26mm deep. Nice construction quality here. The build quality is nice, very solid, and that's pretty much it. The boxes are pretty basic, nothing really to show you guys there. It doesn't bring any instructions or anything like that. This state that this is dust proof, splash proof, and collision proof. I'd like adding a lens hood to my gears or to my cameras, especially my X100V, for that same reason, mainly for protection. All right, so taking a look at your lens hood here. You have your lens cap up front, has this rubber on each side there to grip it, keep it in place securely into the lens hood. And I do like this lens cap. It's really nice because that way you don't have to take your lens hood off to put the cap on to keep your lens protected when you throw it in your bag and stuff like that. In addition to that, you have to just hold your adapter ring in order to unscrew the lens hood. The actual lens hood build quality is very lightweight. I weighed it. 24 grams on my scale. The spec sheet shows 25.5. So everything's a good build quality. However, I do have I don't know if you guys can see here, there's a gasket in here that's already popped out, and I have to keep pushing it back in. It's actually right here. I'm not too happy about that. Here you guys can see right there. I have to keep pushing that back in order to screw it on my camera. So that's unfortunate because it can be a pain in the butt to get that back on there. But to screw it onto your lens, you just got to take your ring off your camera. Let's set that to the side. You could screw your adapter ring on. And I can already feel that gasket is getting in the way. So I'm gonna have to push it down in. All right, so got it back in. Let's try it again. I'm just gonna screw that on there, like that. Goes on there. Then you grab your lens hood, screw this lens hood on. You wanna make sure that it is lined up properly before you tighten it. You don't want it all wonky. You know, you don't want it like that. You wanna make sure it's lined up properly. And then you can adjust with the actual adapter ring. That's the way I have been doing it. You tighten the adapter ring there and loosen it to make sure it goes on right. And then you can tighten it there like that. So you just tighten it like that and it's all set, ready to go. All right, here I have the thumb grip. Let's go ahead and put it on. It's very easy. Just slide it in there to your hot shoe. Right there, push it in. Here are a couple things about this. It doesn't go in all the way, so you have a gap right there. You guys can see. It leaves the hot shoe exposed there. And right there, over here, it is already touching, so I don't know if that's why it doesn't go in all the way. But in terms of serving its purpose, you know, it does work. You rest your thumb right there. However, it can be a little tricky if you need to get to this dial right here. It's kind of in the way. In comparison to my LensMate thumb grip, which is the one that I use, it goes in all the way. So it's completely sealed off. All right. And then whenever I need to go there, I can just flip this over and get to my dial with no problem. Okay, let's get the hand grip on, and it does include an Allen wrench, so you're gonna need an Allen wrench to get this on your camera. Just gonna line it up there to the 1/4 inch screw mount on the bottom. Use your Allen wrench to tighten it up. Make sure my padding, everything's up, lined up properly. I'm just gonna tighten that up right there, like so. And it's all tightened. It does have the battery cut out. You can see there. You have easy access to your SD card and your battery. And I like it. It does feel pretty good. It does help the grip, the camera. All right. One of the negatives of this, it does not have a tripod mount. So if I want to put this on the tripod, there's no 1/4 inch screw mount there because it's using the one there and they didn't add one since they made it so short. So that is one of the negatives on this hand grip. So in that aspect, it's a little bit inconvenient there. In order for me to get it on there, I'm gonna have to take it off. Just want to show you here on the back, when the hand grip is on, there is a slight small gap there. So something to note. I'm a stickler for this kind of thing because if I normally like to keep my hand grips on for long periods of time. You have stuff, you know, dust and whatnot accumulating there. That might be a little bit of me nitpicking, but that's just wanted to point that out. It's not completely flush or completely up against the camera body. There's a small gap. So in use, I've gone out several times shooting with this setup. It's very comfortable. The hand grip is very comfortable. The lens hood works really great. And it looks a good looking lens hood. It's just unfortunate they sent me the wrong color. But yeah, I'm not crazy about the thumb grip. So that's just my personal opinion on that one there. You can rest your thumb there like I said earlier, but not very convenient in my opinion, and that gap really bothers me. So of these three products, the only one that I would probably spend money on is the lens hood. And by the way, it's going for $59.99 USD, and so is the hand grip. I don't have the price on the thumb grip, but $59.99 respectively. This one does a good job blocking light out. I'll throw some shots up so you guys can see where the sun was either to the side or behind the subject, and it did a good job blocking the light out. So in terms of functionality, it's very effective, and it's a good looking lens hood, I think. Unfortunately, it's the silver one, but hey, I usually use this round one. It's from Heyoji. It's the LH-X49B. It's a nice little lens hood. I like this one. And typically these round ones let more light in, especially the ones that have the cutouts on the side. But this one is very effective. So I would recommend using this one, and it does bring that lens cap. And I put my flash on here just to talk real quick about that. It doesn't cast a shadow when you're using the lens hood with the flash. So just, keep that in mind, or it's good to know. The hand grip. The hand grip is very effective. It's very compact and small. If you don't need to mount your camera on a tripod often, then I would recommend this one. It does a good job. And it feels good in the hand, and you have access to the battery compartment and the SD card. But if you're somebody like me that likes to use a tripod often, then I would go with a different one, like the Mikey one that I use here that has the extra quarter mount screw holes down the bottom there. The thumb grip, I just can't even recommend this one. It's really bad, bad quality. They need to relook or redesign this one and maybe issue a new thumb grip. I can't recommend that one. If you're looking for a good one, the one that I'm using is the LensMate. In comparison to the YC Onion, it's night and day. The build quality on this is fantastic. It fits way better. It fits completely the way it should. It's nice and snug in there, and it's very secure. Like, you don't have to worry about this sliding off or anything. It's very secure in comparison to the YC Onion. And then you don't have that gap left there either. Your hot shoe's not exposed. So I'll link everything down below for you guys to check out. Please, guys, check out my new street photography channel. I've moved that type of content to my new channel, which is Photo Marlin. I'm going to put my playlist here of my vlogs so you guys can check those out. Subscribe, like to my main channel and the Photo Marlin channel. Shameless plug. But hey, thanks for watching. Stay safe. See you guys in the next one.